Kosi such a woman. Okaswa. Kosi so. Okaswa. She's so beautiful. Okaswa. She has everything.
Hello my friends, it's Dr. Kosi again, and today we are going to talk about something that makes the whole house complain. Snoring. You know, that sound that some people make when they sleep.
Was I snoring?
Are you asking me? Yes, was I snoring?
Yes, that one. Let's talk about why it happens and what families can do about it. What is snoring? Snoring is the sound that people make when air cannot move smoothly through the nose and the throat during sleep. So the throat shakes and it sounds funny. Sometimes it's soft, sometimes it sounds like a generator. Why do people snore? Here are the most common reasons why. 1. Blocked nose. When someone has a cold or allergies, breathing becomes difficult, so they snore. 2. Sleeping on the back. Lying flat makes the tongue fall backwards and block the airway. 3. Being tired. If someone is exhausted, their muscles relax too much, including the throat. 3. A little extra weight. Fat around the neck area can make the airway smaller, causing snoring. 4. Smoking or dusty environment. These irritate the throat and nose. Is snoring dangerous? Most snoring are harmless, but if someone stops breathing for a few seconds, snores very loudly, or wakes up tired every morning, they may have something called sleep apnea, and they should see a doctor. How to reduce snoring? Let me give you some easy home tips. Sleep on your side instead of your back. Use a higher pillow to keep the head lifted. Drink enough water. Dryness makes snoring worse. Keep the room clean and dust-free. Avoid heavy eating before bedtime. If nose is blocked, try steam or warm bath. These small habits can make a big difference. So my people, snoring is common, but sometimes it is your body saying, help me breathe better. Take care of your sleep. Stay hydrated and keep your airway clear. Sleep well and try not to disturb the whole family with your snoring. Till next time, I am Dr. Kosi. Bye. Love you.
Oka's wife want to be a doctor. Oka's wife.